Hi, and welcome to Tool Zone. Today's video is packed with astonishing skills and seamless execution. These aren't just tasks. This is where hard work meets art. Take a seat and step into the world of true professionals. When true masters get involved, even pouring a floor becomes an art form. Every measurement is precise, colors flow together perfectly, and the result looks more like interior design magic than simple flooring. Pure visual satisfaction. Her movements are so fluid and precise, it's as if gravity is just a suggestion, not a rule. Every step is instinctive, refined through countless hours of practice hidden behind her effortless grace. Watching this craftsman at work is like witnessing a live magic act. You just can't look away. Skating on a perfectly clear, mirror-like frozen lake isn't just a treat, it's pure magic. It feels like gliding over an endless abyss, and the whole experience is nothing short of breathtaking. Wow, just look at how stunning that film looks on the car. Once applied carefully, it's nearly indistinguishable from a professional paint job. A perfect solution for anyone wanting a fast, flawless vehicle makeover. If fishing is supposed to be relaxing, something definitely went off script here. The rod's bending like there's a shark on the line, and it looks like the fisherman might take a swim before the fish hits the shore. Who says acrobatics are only for the circus? These construction workers prove otherwise. A failed painter? Hardly. More like someone who chose a tougher canvas. Walls, facades, furniture. His brush is a tool, his paints are building materials, and the final result, a true masterpiece. Watch as a simple knife and a creative mind turn an ordinary fruit into an eye-catching piece of art. It's incredibly captivating. You won't be able to look away. When the floor is poured with this kind of specialized equipment, you know the finish is going to be flawless. Add in skilled hands and you've got a perfect result, a real blend of tech and talent. confidence in one's hands is already half the victory, and this professional wields the tool like it's part of his own body. Every cut is exact, the material gives way smoothly, and it feels more like watching a surgeon than a worker. Never thought wire winding could be mesmerizing? Think again. It's a mechanical dance in perfect rhythm, and if you watch closely, it's almost hypnotic how beautiful it is. A chainsaw is used to clear thick grass and sod from around a technical maintenance hatch. The builder here deserves serious respect. Wall construction takes more than muscle. It requires finesse, and he nails it with absolute professionalism. Trees tried to grow right in the middle of the road, but this man had other plans. The top contender for Mirror Cleaning Champion of the Year, spotless results. Want a floor painting hack that's both quick and impressive? With this trick, you'll look like a seasoned pro in no time. Absolutely stunning, and the shape of the glass is so creatively blown that you can't help but watch in awe as the process unfolds. Want to master the art of flawless painting? Then focus closely on the screen. Every detail here matters. These curves aren't a coincidence of nature. They're the result of meticulous craftsmanship. Judging by the woodworker's finesse, he's clearly shaping something extraordinary, perhaps a musical instrument filled with soul and character. For seasoned pros, applying plaster is as effortless as spreading butter on toast. be honest, who could resist freshly baked pastries still warm and full of aroma? Incorporating handcrafted elements into car hose production significantly boosts durability. It seems like this guy could pull it off blindfolded. Modern art isn't for everyone, but if it makes you feel something, it's already doing its job. Turns out masterpieces can be born right on the street with nothing but stretch film and spray paint. This artist doesn't just tag walls, he opens windows to other worlds. You watch, amazed, wondering, how is this even possible?